The sun's a ghost in the morning there, a whispered promise on the wind up there. The world below is a distant green as I soar on a little birdie's wing. Past pine trees scratching at the sky, where the first grade eagles learn to fly. The wind beneath me a gentle tune, beneath the pale and sleepy moon. Oh, bird woman falls a silver sheet, where mountain and legend meet. And we're soaring through the clouds today, chasing the fog and the coming day. To the wizard on the hill, so grand, with a staff of stone in their patient hand. They're waiting up there, a silent friend, where the flight and the sky both seem to end. The mist rolls in, a gentle gray, washing the old world all away. The world below is a distant dream, just us and the wind and the tumbling stream. My feathers wet and the mountain's breath, as the secrets whisper about life and death. Every turn is a brand new sight, bathed in a hazy, ethereal light. Oh, bird woman falls a silver sheet, where mountain and legend meet. And we're soaring through the clouds today, chasing the fog and the coming day. To the wizard on the hill, so grand, with a staff of stone in their patient hand. They're waiting up there, a silent friend, where the flight and the sky both seem to end. They say the wizard knows the ways of the ancient winds and the fleeting days. They say their eyes have seen it all, the rise and fall, the waterfall. They hold the wisdom of the land, a silent promise we understand. They stand above the world's harsh noise, protecting all the mountain's joys. So we fly on up with a hopeful heart to a place where we can make a start, with the falls behind and the wizard ahead. A story whispered, a story said. Yeah, we're soaring through the clouds today, to the wizard on the hill, come what may.